영상이 시작되기 전에 먼저 등장할 5개의 문장을 보여드릴게요. 빈칸에 들어갈 표현을 유추해보세요. 단어 하나하나를 직역하지 않고 전체 의미에 맞게 의역하고자 노력합니다. 그게 바로 영어식 사고의 출발이에요. 그럼 시작해볼까요?
It's a company that really shook up the design world. It generates layouts, even functional UI bits. You can sort of sketch a rough shape, like a quick doodle. And over 450,000 paying companies. How digital experiences will be built going forward.
Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're here again to sift through the noise and pull out the key insights, maybe even some surprising facts from the sources we've gathered. Today, we're diving into Figma. You've probably heard of it. It's a company that really shook up the design world.
Oh, definitely. Big time.
So, at its heart, Figma often gets called the Google Docs of the design world.
Which is a decent starting point, yeah.
Right, but it feels like maybe it's even more fundamental than that. Like, imagine designing anything, apps, websites, marketing stuff, all together in real time, just in your browser.
No installs needed.
Exactly. No messing with different file versions. It's just clean, super fast, and honestly pretty intuitive. And that's why, huge teams at places like Google, Samsung, Airbnb, they basically live in it now.
And what's really revolutionary about it, I think, is that they didn't just put old design tools online. They actually re-architected the whole workflow for the cloud.
Re-architected, okay.
Yeah, so the design file itself becomes this sort of living canvas. Everyone can be in it anywhere, anytime. It's totally different from, emailing static files back and forth.
Right, the old way. So much friction.
Exactly. This just speeds up everything, making digital products faster, much faster, worldwide.
And wow, did the market notice?
Incredible. That kind of valuation, it's a massive vote of confidence. Makes you ask, what were investors really seeing there beyond just the opening day pop?
No question.
It wasn't just about where they were then. It was clearly about their vision, right?
Yeah.
Especially how they were moving into new tech.
They seem to be diving headfirst into AI.
Absolutely. Their 2025 conference really highlighted that. They showed off some seriously powerful AI features.
Like Figma Make. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so with Make, you can literally just type a prompt, something like, design me a food delivery app.
Okay.
And the AI, using these advanced generative models, figures out what you mean, and boom, it generates layouts, even functional UI bits. It's starting to bridge that gap to actual front-end code.
Wow. That's significant.
It is. And it's not just starting from zero. There's also Figma Buzz. Think of it like it automatically creates marketing images, social media posts, things like that, directly from your designs, keeping everything on brand.
Huh. So consistent branding automatically.
Pretty much. And then there's Figma Draw inside the canvas itself. It's like an intelligent assistant. You can sort of sketch a rough shape.
Like a quick doodle?
Exactly, a quick doodle. And it cleans it up, turns it into a polished graphic. It almost feels like it knows what you're trying to do.
That's amazing.
It all points towards, making design more accessible. It's not just about making pros faster, though. It does that too. It's about letting more people create high-quality digital stuff, democratizing it.
And this whole strategy, mixing collaboration with AI, is it working financially? Are they actually making money?
Oh, yeah. The numbers look really strong. In Q1 2025, their revenue was, $228 million?
Yeah, $228 million, up 46% from the year before.
And with solid profit, too, about $45 million. Plus, they have, 13 million monthly active users.
Over 13 million, yeah. And over 450,000 paying companies. Get this, over 1,000 of those are spending more than $100K a year.
See, those aren't just big numbers. They show deep market penetration, a really solid business model. That 46% growth, plus the big enterprise clients, it shows they're converting users and locking in major deals.
Speaks volumes about their value proposition, right?
Definitely. Shows how essential they've become in the whole digital product development pipeline.
Okay, so let's quickly recap for everyone listening. We've seen Figma's huge market splash, its really bold moves into AI design, and frankly, its impressive financial performance. It's clear they're making design much more accessible, way beyond just the professional designers.
And that, I think, is the key takeaway. Figma isn't just another tool. It's potentially showing us a blueprint for how software, how digital experiences will be built going forward. It's about intelligent creation open to more people.
Right, more collaboration, more intelligence, more access.
Exactly.
So here's something to chew on as we wrap up. If AI keeps getting better at handling this sort of how-to of design, the mechanics, what does that mean for human creativity? Where does that leave us? And maybe more practically, how could this reshape the jobs and skills needed in the digital world of tomorrow?
That's the big question, isn't it?
영어와 시사경제 두 마리 토끼를 한 번에 잡는 알찬 시간 되셨다면 구독과 좋아요를 꾹 눌러주세요. 감사합니다.